All right, so I'm here in Kahuku on Oahu, and just going for a cruise, and yeah. So here we go. We're getting started. I'll turn the key on, right? I can't tell you how good it feels to be back on a motorcycle. You know, it was kind of a dry spell for a little while there, but yeah, it feels great. I don't know if you can see this, but you kind of some haze in the air, and it's just because the ocean is so angry. It's awesome. It's gonna be a little wild today. Kind of a, I don't know if you want to call it a ruin or what, but it's an old building, old rundown building. It's got a lot of kind of cool looking graffiti inside. I'm just gonna walk around, snap a couple of pictures, and then we'll keep on riding. All right. I actually came here about a month ago for one of my classes. It's an art class, photography class. Anyway, I came here to snap some pictures and turn in a project. Anyway, I'll probably share some of those pictures right after this. But definitely something cool to take a look at. There's a gate opening back there that goes into the back. I'm not going to go back there today just because got eaten alive by mosquitoes last time I was back there. It was a little nuts. But definitely got some cool artwork. Oh, I actually see some new stuff back there. Another day. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Kind of cool. All right, let's keep riding. You know, since we're here and we're stopped, all right, since we're here and we're stopped, let's go ahead and do a quick walk around for my motorcycle. I know it's been forever since I've posted anything, and a lot of updates, and I guess in my life. About a year and a half ago, I moved to Oahu, and I went back to school, and so that's kind of what I'm doing. But recently, I bought a motorcycle, and this is it. It's a Victory V92C. It's a year 2000. For being now 16 years old, I think it's in beautiful shape. It's a lot of fun to ride. Got like little mini apes on it, and this is how I bought the bike. I didn't make any changes to it, and so I really don't have a whole lot of information as far as like the specs and what have you, but yeah, that's my new ride, and I love it. All right, I can't promise I'm gonna be posting tons. I want to, and that's kind of like the plan, but school's been a little nuts, takes up a lot of time, and yeah, like I said, I want to do it, but we'll see. Anyway, so yeah, here we go. Keep riding. couple of quirks. When I first bought this bike, the horn wasn't working and the headlight wasn't working, which is kind of why I got a good deal on it. The speedometer doesn't work, odometer doesn't work, and so yeah, she's not without character. Let's say that. But I've since got the headlights and the horn. The odometer I don't really care about. The speedometer would be nice, but it's not a must-have. So, you know, priorities, you know. You fix what's got to be fixed, and you live with the rest. Alright, so we're just pulling up on Pipeline here. It's pretty packed. Turn this camera here a little bit so you can see. I don't know if you can see any of that, but alright, just hold it just for a second here. There's something about the ocean that calms me. I think most everyone can relate to that. I love being able to cruise Kamehameha Highway and take in the views. Just pull off somewhere and watch the ocean. Hawaii truly is a beautiful place. Well, if you got this far, you probably like the video, so go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You know, it helps out my show, and quite frankly, it just makes me feel good.
That's not fair.